Hey guys, this is RazvanDragos, and today we have an unboxing of the Bullstrap leather case. This is for the iPhone 14 Pro in Sienna. That's the color name. It's the box that it comes in with. Pretty simple overall. Made of top grain leather. To open it, you pull on the top. And this is the case. You also have a little sticker and a lifetime warranty card. On the case itself, it feels very premium. You got the logo on the back and a huge camera cutout. On the right, you have the metal buttons. The quality is okay on this, as you can see. There's an open bottom for the case, and then this is the inside of it. And on the right you have the power button. Nothing on top, of course. It's got an iPhone 14 Pro in purple. Let's slide that in. Taking a look at the back, as you can see, the camera is protected. And there's a nice click to the button. And the bottom is open. On the left, volume buttons and the mute switch. Pretty recessed in there, so it's not that easy to reach. And of course the screen is protected. This phone does have a screen protector, so it's a little bit higher. Overall, it feels nice. This was RazvanDragos, and thank you for watching.